Good morning, student. Here I am with your book countdown on page number 11. Mention date and day at the top of the page. Okay. In this page, they are telling you about the things, the pair of the things, which the one is big in size and the one is small in size. The other is in small size. Okay. You will do the color in this picture. The things which is big in size, you will do in that picture the red color. Okay, like in this bucket, this is big in size, the table, this one, this beer, this bottle, and this fish, and this bus, these are big in size. You will do the color red in these. And the things which are small in size, like this bucket, this table, beer, and this small bottle, and this small fish, this is the small car, and you will do the blue color in small pictures. Okay, come on page number 12. Yes, the thing you will do, you should do, date and day you will mention at the top of the page. They are saying right here the bigger and the smaller. As far as they has done for you, smaller, yes, it is small in size. Helicopter is small and the aeroplane is big in size, so they given them names bigger and smaller. Okay, this is the hot air balloon and this is the simple balloon. Okay, which one is big in size? Yes, of course, obviously, hot air balloon. You will write it name bigger, and here the spelling smaller. You will write the smaller. Okay, which thing is bigger, elephant or rabbit? Yes, elephant is bigger. You will write here the spelling of bigger, and here the spelling of smaller. At the end, you have the two pictures, the board and the ship. Which one is big? Yes, of course, definitely the ship is big in size, so we write here the spelling of bigger and here smaller. You can do, and you should keep in your mind the spelling of these. You should take care the spelling of while you are writing the spelling. Don't write the wrong spelling. You have the spelling here. Okay, you can see.